Let's get it straight, girl, you don't need a nigga for nothing. Looking better every day, you got that Benjamin Button.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video, as you guys can see by the title of the video, it's an unboxing video. I wanted to go ahead and record this video for you guys, so I'm kind of just quarantined, been in the house all day, and I received a package. So I want to show you guys what I got. I really wanted this for a very long time. I'm going to tell you guys, this is actually the second time I've gotten it, because the first time I got it, it was the wrong camera. As you guys know, I'm using my Sony A5100. It was a gift from someone, and I invested in getting a newer camera for my channel. So I wanted to share with you guys what I've got. So if you want to see, say hey, Kennedy. Kennedy says hi. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. So this is the package here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm so excited because I've been wanting this for a very long time. So yeah, so I'm just gonna open up the package, and hopefully this is the correct camera. The first camera I got, it didn't come with a lens or anything like that. I don't know why they sent the wrong bundle, but I'm hoping this time it is the correct bundle, and it seems like it's the correct bundle. So I'm just gonna pull out everything that comes in here. So what I got here is the camera bag, and this is for the DSLR cameras. So it comes in a like tote bag like this. This is the tote bag. Mommy? Yes. It has different compartments. It's a nice bag. I don't know if it has like a carrying strap, but let's open it up and see. And it does have the carrying strap. If I wanted to go and take some pictures like at the park or whatever, I can carry my camera in its own bag, safe, without, you know, having a mistake and dropping it. I also have this right here. This right here is the, I think that, oh, this is like a little where you can hold the camera, and this is like a cushion for your hand, so you know it can have some support. I think it goes, oh yeah, it goes like this. You have to like pull the strap through, but it just looks like that. So I got that. I also got another tripod. I really didn't need another tripod, but because I have a tripod now that I really don't use, but I guess, you know, you never know when you're gonna need another one. So here's another one that I got. Seems like something is broken, so we're gonna see. Oh no, that's the piece to go with it. But this is what the tripod looks like. It's just, oh, it's a smaller tripod, so I can possibly use this one, because I have a tripod here, but it's not tall enough. It's shorter than this one, and it's sitting on some DVDs. So this one I can use for when I actually film. So this is what the tripod looks like. So I have 3 tripods. That's a lot of tripods. So the next thing I have is a 64 gig SD card, which I've never had an SD card with this much memory, so I'm just gonna have extra fun with that. Here is some HD wide angle lens. I have 2 lenses. I have to do my research when it comes to camera, because I really don't know like what to do with this type of stuff. I just know that I did a lot of research, and I researched on what type of camera I wanted. So yeah, I'm gonna do more research on how to use these things, but this also came in the kit as well. If you guys know like what exactly I can do with these, I'm pretty sure it's like to do like a wide angle or like something like really small. It's showing me this on the back of like what it's possibly what it does or whatever. So I have to, like, you know, teach myself how to do all that stuff. I did take off my nails. Ooh, y'all, like, look at the mess. Just, ooh, this virus got us just, I don't know. Next I have is the digital slave flash. It's just like additional flash, because I think the camera comes with a flash as well, and it just like sits on top to give you like that photographic type of pictures. So I'm excited about that. Right here I have a card reader. Just looks like this. I'm not really sure how to use a card reader. I will have the link to the bundle deal in the description box if you're interested. This right here is also a 3D digital filter set. Not really sure what this is right here. But like I said, I'm gonna do my research on some of these things I don't know how to use just yet. And you know, I'm gonna become a pro at this stuff. Last but not least, this is the camera that I have. Like, I'm getting so overwhelmed. I've never thought that I would actually put it in the box. Thank you. I never ever thought that I would actually be buying a camera like this for YouTube or for just life in general, like just, you know, taking memories or whatever. But this is the camera that I got. I did a lot of research. I did a lot of research. So this is the camera that I pick. I won't know if this is a perfect camera for you if you're a starting YouTuber like me. Like I said, I'm using the A5100 right now, which is a really, really good camera. So this camera was about $500, which is a good investment as well. You don't have to go and buy another camera like me. I just wanted to use this as another YouTube camera, and I am also doing like photographic stuff. This camera will be my vlogging camera. But this is the camera, you guys. I'm so excited about opening it. Oh my God, it's like my second baby. Let me show you guys what I got. So this is the Canon EOS Rebel T7i. This is what I decided to get. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So excited. So I'm gonna open it up. This is like Christmas in April. So on top, it shows a cord. I'm not really sure what the cord is for, but yeah. So I'm gonna open it up, and it comes with the Canon strap, and it also comes with a battery. I am gonna get another battery for both of my cameras because recording videos and vlogging and stuff like that, I do plan on making more videos and vlogging more this year, possibly, if the coronavirus don't kill us all. Jokey joke. I have to make jokes in these times or whatever. So I do want to get another camera, another battery for this camera, and one for my new camera. So, you know, we can be, you know, making these videos. Here is the actual oh, this is the camera charger right here. Just looks like that. This right here is the lens. Oh my God, this is the, okay, whew. This is the Canon lens. This is the 18x55mm lens. This is the lens that goes on the camera. Yeah, it just looks like that. So excited, so excited. I have to keep this type of stuff from Kennedi because she will tear this type of stuff up. So the last thing is the body, which is the camera body, and it's not as heavy as I thought it would be, but this is it. Oh my God, it looks so good in my hands, right? Well, my nails were done. But this is the Rebel T7i, and it does have a flip out screen, which I love the flip out screen. I'm so excited to use it. Oh my God, it's really not that heavy. So if I wanted to vlog with this, I would be able to vlog with this. But yeah, I just absolutely love this camera. I am so excited to be recording videos on this camera. I'm gonna take this off and put the lens on. Okay. Oh guys, I'm nervous, like, oh my God. I'm gonna put the lens on. Okay, wait. Okay. So this is what it looks like with the lens. Oh my God. I'm just overwhelmed at this point. I just can't believe that I actually got the camera of my dreams. It looks so pretty, so pretty. Oh my God, I'm so excited, you guys. My camera is about to die. That's why I have to get another battery. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm very overwhelmed, but I'm very blessed that I was able to get the camera of my dreams for my YouTube channel and all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this video. I will have the link of everything in the description box. The price of what I paid and everything. I have to go. I'm sorry because my camera's about to die. I made this video so short. I should have made sure my camera was charged. But when I got the package, I was just so overwhelmed. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next one.